Albertsons Company is a leader in the food and drug retailing space with over 200,000 employees across the U.S. We spent countless all-hands meetings, many communications, many one-on-one sessions educating our teams on RPA, digital workforce, and the benefits. As we've went through this journey over the last year, we've had resistors, we've had others that are very on board. With any transformation, you find people in different states of their change journey. We've had the opportunity to demonstrate value to our customers, and that word of mouth and the ability to show the value and leverage our team that have many peers within the finance, accounting, and employee service centers. That's how we've been able to build the momentum and drive the change. As we continue to transform our shared services organization, we see the digital workforce as a pillar and cornerstone of our future within our shared services organization and at Albertsons Companies. So we had done our due diligence and went through a process of POC and evaluated the space, evaluated through our Gartner tool sets, evaluated through other arenas, and ultimately landed on Automation Anywhere for the ability to collaborate with our organization, the ability for the POC, the cost structures, and other determinations. So I was very energized because our team of business professionals stepped in day one, took the Automation Anywhere training, and built bots. We did not have third-party consultants who built our first bots or trained our team. We partnered very closely with Automation Anywhere from day one, both on technology, infrastructure implementation, training, and building our Center of Excellence. Albertsons Companies has 36 bots in production across 12 different departments within accounting, finance, and employee services. So we have the opportunity to automate through these 36 bots, over 30,000 hours saved across our shared services organization. We've continued to increase our ROI across our RPA deployment, and we're very excited in terms of our future. As you ramp up through RPA, you continue to increase your RPA or your ROI and your value proposition to your customers. RPA has the potential to impact not only individual contributors that this is their first job, but long tenured employees or employees that are new to technology, that they have the opportunity to build bots. As we look forward in building our RPA deployment, we are partnering closely with Automation Anywhere to build the capabilities for machine learning and the future of artificial intelligence. These solutions will provide us the ability to create the holistic digital worker and bring RPA to the next phase.